taho, nagutod sila sang kahoy, ang hambal sang taho, nagkuha sang video, hambal, dalaga na kamo.
Okay.
Hambal, pog di puta, hambal ya. Hambal sa Tagalog.
Tagalog!
May dalawang tao, naputol ng kahoy. Sanabihan niya yung iba na tumakbo na kayo. Bug lang ina.
Oh my God! It's time for me to speak English.
Yeah.
2 people.
Yes.
And after?
Talaga.
Cut the tree. After, there's one man telling, Yala, run! Ayala! Oo! Go, run!
Run.
You! No? You understand the story?
Nagutod sila sang kahoy, kay ibaligya nila ang kahoy.
They want to sell.
Pinutol nila yung kahoy para ibenta nila yung kahoy.
Yes.
They want to cut the tree because they want to sell it. But for me, you know why they cut? Because there's a fruit, they cannot take this one by hand. They cut it first, take the fruit.